All right, what's going on, y'all? Back with another video talking about this GROM VL unit, okay? This is long overdue, so let's just get to it. So here are my thoughts on this unit. I think the unit actually got worse after the update, and I'm gonna show you why. One thing I didn't notice after I did the update is that I basically lose all access to the Play Store. If you notice here, there is no icon here for the Play Store, which I do not understand. There are a bunch of plugins here. So no longer do you have access to just use it as a tablet, which was one of the main reasons I bought it. As you can see, this is all the options that are here. Okay? The other the other issue that I'm having, Wi-Fi keeps shutting off. I turn on the Wi-Fi and it shuts off on its own. It's like, come on, like, frustration. All right, so that's basically it. The one thing I can say that is pretty cool with this product is the CarPlay. Now, CarPlay has the ability to operate wirelessly, so I have an Apple device here, and it should be able to pair up here real quickly. Okay, boom, there it goes. So no cable connected, nothing. It works pretty smooth. Great. So what if you don't have an Apple device? Glad you asked. So if we get out of this, I have an Android device hooked up, which we can access here through Android Auto. And once that loads up, very minimal things to do in here. I mean, I had more fun with this device on the older OS before updating it. I mean, yes, it's great to have, you know, you just plug in your phone, the map shows up here, you don't have to keep looking at the phone, the directions come over the phone, but I don't know, man. I feel like there's gotta be something better out there. I don't know if this is it anymore. I'm telling you, after the update, I'm really losing my confidence in this product. Really losing the confidence. Again, here are the options. Unless you're putting a device in to do audio, video feed in, what else am I doing with this? I mean, yeah, great, there's a little web browser you can browse on here. Awesome. But it's only as good as if you're getting connectivity on Wi-Fi or something. I'm not sure why the unit is acting up. I did plug it out and try to reboot it. Not sure why it's not connecting through Wi-Fi, but these are just the feedbacks I have. So at least you were able to see, you know, the wireless function on the Apple phone as well as the corded Android hookup, so you can see those features work. It's just that, I mean, yeah, if I can find another option, I think I might explore it, because the reason I purchased this unit, which was not cheap, by the way, was for a particular reason, which it seems like they're stripping away those features that initially were supposed to be good. Now, you do the update, you get supposedly a more stable OS and better, you know, functionality and blah blah blah, but at the end of the day, I lost access to the Google Play Store. I used to download apps straight onto the device and run apps. At one point I was running TV right through the application, hooked up to a hotspot. It was awesome. You basically could have TV on the go. Now I've got nothing. I literally have a expensive box that's sitting in the glove box that works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't work. So is there a better option than the GROM VLINE unit? I'm gonna have to do some research to find out. I mean, I like having the option of just using the integrated screen. It looks good. It's a clean look. It's OEM style. You can unplug it, sell your vehicle. You got nothing to change. So I'm gonna have to see if there's any other options out there. If you guys have any suggestions, just let me know. I'll be glad to, to kind of research those. But I feel like the update has made me lose all the things that used to be good. I mean, yes, they say they're not going to support it if it's not updated, especially the firmware and all that, but this is frustrating. I don't want to be sitting here on a box that people, you know, usually call bricks when they're no good. It's a paperweight, you know, so that's what it's going to turn into. But let me know your thoughts. If you want to see any other functionality in this unit, just let me know. I'll do my best to get some footage of it. This is your boy signing off for now. Check you guys later.